December 18, 2024 Financial News Recap. The Federal Reserve lowered its main interest rate by a small amount, setting it at 4.25 to 4.5%, marking the third cut this year. Officials said future cuts will happen more slowly and will depend on how the economy performs. Prices are still rising faster than the Fed's goal, with inflation at 2.7% in November, but the job market remains strong, adding 227,000 jobs last month. Some experts think lowering rates now might be risky because prices are still going up and the economy is doing well. The Fed expects fewer rate cuts in the next couple of years, and while borrowing costs like mortgage rates are still high, they might go down a bit next year. A recent survey by Charles Schwab found that baby boomers are the least likely among generations to share their money with loved ones while they're still alive. Only 21% of boomers with at least $1 million said they want the next generation to enjoy my money while I'm alive. In comparison, 53% of millennials and 44% of Gen X respondents said they would. The survey focused on money that could be invested, not including the value of homes or retirement accounts. Over the next 25 years, about $105 trillion is expected to be passed down in the U.S., with $2.5 trillion projected for 2025 alone. The Supreme Court announced on Wednesday that it will take up a case about a new law that could lead to a U.S. ban on TikTok. This sets up a major legal fight over whether people will still be able to use the app, which is very popular and used by tens of millions in the U.S. The court has scheduled oral arguments for January 10th, moving quickly to make a decision before the law is supposed to take effect on January 19th. In its brief statement, the court told the Justice Department, TikTok's lawyers, and a group of users against the law to prepare arguments about whether the ban goes against free speech rights under the First Amendment. TikTok and its parent company, ByteDance, had earlier asked the court to stop the law temporarily while they appeal a lower court's decision. However, the Supreme Court said it would decide on that request after hearing the arguments. Germany's biggest bank, Deutsche Bank, is said to be working on its own system built on Ethereum's blockchain, according to Bloomberg. Following previous L2 technologies, the bank must follow rules that come with using public blockchains in the world of regulated finance. This new system, called Project Dama 2, is designed to make transactions faster and safer while still connecting directly to Ethereum. It's part of a larger effort under Singapore's monetary authority called Project Guardian, which includes 24 financial institutions exploring how to use blockchain for creating digital versions of assets. According to Bloomberg government, a new U.S. spending bill would give members of Congress their first pay raise since 2009. The bill, supported by both parties, also aims to prevent a government shutdown and includes other long-standing priorities. Notably, incoming 47th President Trump's top advisor Elon Musk has come out against the bill, calling the legislation a big piece of pork. It removes a rule from a previous temporary spending bill that stopped lawmakers from getting an annual cost of living adjustment. Since 2009, Congress has regularly added provisions to spending bills to block the pay raise required by a law from 1989. This bill would end that practice for the first time in over 10 years. U.S. home sales are set to hit their lowest level since 1995, with sales in September falling 3.5% compared to last year. This is mainly because high home prices and expensive mortgage rates are making it hard for people to buy homes. Even though mortgage rates have dropped slightly, homes are still too expensive for many buyers. The National Association of Realtors says fewer homes were sold in the first 9 months of this year than during the same time last year. Experts believe that unless home prices or mortgage rates go down significantly, it will remain tough for people to afford homes.